Good day, tourists! Today we will travel to the industrial powerhouse of the Philippines, which is Region 4A, Calabarzon.
It is also known as the Southern Tagalog mainland. And our first stop is Cavite. Welcome to Cavite. Cavite's capital city is Tres Martires. It is known as the historical capital of the Cavite got its name from the Philippine word kawit, which means hook. It has 8 cities and 16 municipalities.
Cavite is also known as the land of the brave because of many historical events that happened here. There are many notable persons that came from Cavite, especially the first president of the Philippines, who is Emilio Aguinaldo. Others are Mariano Alvarez and Fernando Lopez.
Moving on to tourist spots in Cavite.
One of the famous tourist spots in Cavite, located in Kawit, is the Aguinaldo Shrine. It is where the Philippine independence from Spain was declared on June 12, 1896. Another is the Kaibiyang Tunnel. It is famous for motorist tourism. It is one of the longest road tunnel in the Philippines. Others are Corregidor Island, Puerto Azul, Tagaytay Picnic Grove, and Diocesan Shrine of Pinas. Excited for fun? There are many festivals in Cavite, but here are 5 notable from them. First is the Wagayway Festival from Imus, Cavite. Isn't it fun? Next is Pahimis Festival in Amadeo, Cavite. Next, Paru-Paru Festival in Dasmariñas City. Next is Tahong Festival in Bacoor City. Regatta Festival in Cavite. Moving on to our delicacy in Cavite, we have Pichi Pichi, Ito, Kalamay sa Ube, Maha Blanca, Ginatamis na Saging, at Bibingkoy. And now for our next stop, Laguna.
Welcome to Laguna. Laguna, a province in the Philippines, got its name from the Spanish word Laguna, which means lake. The name refers to the large body of water, Laguna de Bay. It is the largest lake in the Philippines and it is near the province. During Spanish colonial period, the area around the lake became known as Laguna, a name that has persisted up to this day. Did you know that the capital city of Laguna is Santa Cruz and it has 24 municipalities and 6 cities? Laguna has no shortage of things to amaze travelers. The Luzon province is blessed with glorious waterfalls, forests, and hot and cold springs. The famous delicacies on selected municipalities of Laguna are Quezon Puti, cassava chips, cassava cake, uroro, espasol, and ube. Laguna is known as the birthplace of Jose Rizal, the country's national hero. There are many tourist spots in Laguna, but here are the 3 examples of it. Pagsanhan, Enchanted Kingdom, and Bahay ni Rizal. Dubbed as the mother of all festivals, Anilag showcases an array of activities including arts, culture, and industries of Laguna and its people.
Welcome to Batangas. The name comes from the word Batang, which refers to the large logs that found in Calumpang River. The capital city of Batangas is Batangas City. The great personality in the province is Apolinario Mabini. He is known as the brains of the revolution for his contribution to the Philippine independence movement. There are 2 famous tourist attractions here in Batangas, which is the Al Volcano and Anilao. The following are the famous delicacies here in Batangas. First is sinaing na tulingan, adobo sa dilaw, panatsa, kasoy, kapeng barako, at buko pie. And lastly, here are the following festivals in Batangas. Anihan Festival, second is Lechon Festival, third is Sinukmani Festival, fourth is Caracol Festival, and lastly, Lambayok Festival. Mabuhay tourists! Welcome to Rizal. Rizal is named after our national hero, Jose Rizal. Capital city is Antipolo City. Rizal has produced many notable persons that had a large impact in our country. Examples of this are our very own Andres Bonifacio and Juan Camilo. Rizal is known for its scenic landscapes, historical sites, and cultural landmarks. Here are notable tourist attractions in Rizal. First up, Pinto Arts Museum. Next is the National Shrine of Our Lady of Peace and Good Voyage. Daranac Falls. Daraitan River. And lastly, Tinapak River. Rizal is known for its vibrant festivals that celebrate their local history and cultural heritage. First festival is Higatas Festival. Araw ng Antipolo that is celebrated every 1st of May. And lastly, Pista ng Bayan. Famous delicacies in Rizal are suman, buko pie, inipit, sinigang sa ipit, and taytay balot. And now let's move on to Quezon.
Good day, tourists! Welcome to Quezon. The province is named after Manuel L. Quezon, the second president of the Philippines, who was instrumental in securing the Philippine independence from the United States. The capital city of Quezon is Lucena City. The great personality of the province is Manuel L. Quezon. He is known as the father of the Philippine national language for promoting Filipino as the national language. Some of the famous tourist attractions are Mount Banahaw, Alabat Island, Alagbag Falls, Lukban, and Kamay ni Jesus Shrine. There are many, but here are two examples of delicacy in Quezon. First is Lukban Longganisa and second is Pansit Habhag. There are many, but here are the three famous festivals here in Quezon. First is Pahiyas Festival. Next is Nyug-Nyugan Festival. And lastly, Pasayahan sa Lucena. Thank you for listening. See you on our next trip. Choose tourism.
Choose HM.
Choose UE Manila.